What is IoT? Internet of Things, which means that a physical objects, devices, vehicles, buildings, and other items embedded with electronic software, sensors, and network connectivity that enables these objects to collect data and exchange data. Need for IoT, that was interact and collaborate. Interact means that interfaces which allow people to either monitor or configure IoT devices. And collaboration means that bringing together of teams within an organization, across companies and even teams from different industries together within a single ecosystem. Features of IoT. First, heterogeneity. Heterogeneity in the IoT is responsible for supporting direct network connectivity between heterogeneous networks. Second, sensing. The sensor devices used in IoT technologies detect and measure any change in the environment and report on their status. Without sensors, they could not hold an effective or true IoT environment. Third, artificial intelligence. IoT makes things smart and enhances life through the use of data. Fourth, connectivity. Connectivity refers to establish a proper connection between all the things of IoT. To IoT platform, it may be server or cloud. Fifth, analyzing. After connecting all the relevant things, it comes to real-time analyzing the data collected and use them to build effective business intelligence. Sixth, dynamic nature. Dynamic nature in IoT is responsible for dynamic changes that takes place around the connected devices, such as sleeping and waking up, connected or disconnected, state of devices including temperature level and location. Application for IoT. Building and home automation, manufacturing, medical and healthcare system, media, environmental monitoring. Infrastructure management, energy management, transportation, and better quality life for elderly. Advantage in IoT. Cost-efficient business operations, better healthcare, raw safety. Your pocket personal assistant, efficient uses of electricity and energy, stay connected and security. Disadvantage of IoT. Privacy, flexibility, security, complexity and compliance. Technological challenges of IoT. At present, IoT is faced with many challenges such as scalability, technological standardization, interoperability, discovery, software complexity, data values and interpretation, power supply, interaction and short-range communication, wireless communication, and fault tolerance.